Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Nothing's Better Than Bundle, and this is a sweet little cookie card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using Nothing's Better Than, and we are going to be using cocktails, and today's plant consumes. Gonna come in with a piece of Whisper White. And I have early espresso and crumb cake. And I found it was easier to do the inside of the cookie, or the top part of the cookie first. So I have this mounted on clear block C, but you can probably use B. But I had both of my B's occupied. And this one's on B. We're going to use the crumb cake for this one. So just like that. I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. Okay, so I have my cookie here, and then I have a piece of Real Red, and that has the adhesive strips on the back, and then I have the, you know what, let me cut this one down really quick. Okay, just trying to get it all to fit during one pass on the Big Shot. Then I have my So Sweetly Stitched dies, and I have the two largest ones, and then another piece of Real Red. Let's see. Maneuver that away. All right. Well, that cookie moved on me. Okay, so I'm going to come in with my PEAR PIZZAZZ, pardon my reach, and I have today's plan, consume, and I'm going to put it right up here at the top. And now for this, I did cut this out 2 more times off camera. I have one little dot there that stayed. All right. So like I said, I have 2 more here. All right, and then instead of using these little dots here, I'm going to come in with my real red, or the red rhinestones. And I am featuring some new paper from the holiday catalog. And that'll be ready to order from tomorrow. Alright, so let's put this card together. See, I kept my other 2 dots. Alright, so just like that. And the paper is the Heartwarming Hugs Designer Series paper, and it's cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And then I have a piece of PEAR PIZZAZZ, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. Alright, and our card base is 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And I'm going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. Alright, so I'm going to come in with my cookie, and I did cut another cookie. Off camera. And I'm just going to put it here in these 2 corners. Alright, so there you have it, a quick and simple cookie card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!